Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining. This is Waylon with Salon Scheduling Solutions again. And what we'll be going over today is actually how to design your website. We made it really easy, so right after you get your template, you can be off and running and within, um, design wise in about 15 minutes to a half hour if you already have content. So, let me go ahead and just kind of show you what we're going to design here today. We actually aren't going to design anything today, but I'll kind of show you what we're going to go over. Um, how we basically build this part. This is what you can design. Um, how you pick these colors, how you put your logo in, how you do the background. Basically, where you pick the colors for this header. Um, basically, everything here is able to be designed. And what we'll be going in today is how to show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Um, basically, what I've done is I logged in as a salon owner, and why I've done that is because she's the only person, or he's the only person that's available or able to design the site. Now, the site owner can actually give permission to other people um, to do it, but you'll set up a username and password for them and give them access. But just to start with, either somebody here at Salon Scheduling Solutions or the site owner is the only ones that can um, build the site. So we made it super easy. On their tab, there'll be a button called Site Builder. Let's go ahead and click that. And it's going to bring you to this page right here. What this page is the home page. Exactly what we were on just a little bit ago. Um, this text matches up with the heading text that we had on the other page, and everything else down here matches up. Basically, what we can do is really professionally design this, work with you, um, and help you get what you're looking for. And then it's really easy for you to manage all your content. And we'll go through some of the buttons here up on top. If you ever use Word, this is really similar. All of these, you can actually change your text color though. So you don't like white, just come on up here, pick your text color, and maybe we want to go yellow. Yeah, let's give that a try. Okay, all of our text is yellow now. Just the ones we highlighted though. Now, that makes it cool because then you haven't got to struggle to highlight just a little bit and the whole thing turns yellow. You're just gonna pretty much like word. And then say you don't like that, you want to get rid of it. You can just come right up here, clear style, and it will just go back to like a black or something. But we want to go white, so click there and we're good to go. Let's see if we got it all. Nope. Just go white again, and it should get the rest of it up. Dang it, skipped a little bit there. Go white. Alright, great. We got that all taken care of. I don't know why it took so much time there, but it's really easy for us to design this. So, if you need help, just let us know, and definitely be more than happy to help you. But it's super easy to do, and it just takes some time to play around with it. And I'll have better tutorials here coming down the line. You can also pick your font type. You can also pick a back. I forgot this one. You can pick a background color. Say you want to highlight something. Highlight it in pink. There you go. It highlights it. So it's kind of useful sometimes. The copy. Let's see what else we got here. Remove styles. Kind of self-explanatory. Just kind of play around with them. This is kind of important. Say you get another header. You have another. Say this is a header right here. Let's go ahead and just give this a heading 2 tag. And what that's going to do is just going to help with the search engines and just kind of help you come up a little bit sooner, because you're just telling the search engines, what's important on your site. Basically, is what those are for. Again, a lot more word tools here. You can play with those on your own time. You've probably seen all this stuff. Let's get into some of the stuff that you may not have seen. This right here, if you can see it, this little like world with little link button. That's actually to link things up. So if you get something, It doesn't matter what word you pick. You can go ahead and just link it. You can link anything you want. Easiest thing to do is just go to the website that you're gonna you want the link to go to, and just copy it and then paste it right in here, because then you know you got it exactly right. Another thing you might want to pay attention to is the target. Um, you want to open it in the current window? Probably not. If you're going from your site, you want to open a new window. So just put top window or new window here, and it'll open a new window. Let's see, anything else here? No. So that's all. That's all good. We'll show you a little bit here on all this for borders and rules and that sort of thing. You can just play around with the rest of the stuff. But let's move on to like tables. You can insert a table. You can put all kinds of things here. So basically, you can design this out any way you want. Tables are a really easy way to lay out your site. So that's easy. You can put a picture in here. We put a video right here. If you want to build a form, you can do that. You know, anchor something, you can do that. But basically, also, if you want to hire somebody to come in and professionally design it for you, and they can basically just design it wherever they like. Just make sure that it fits within here, and then just copy and paste it, and then it will show up that way. So that's an easy way to design too. So what else we're going to go into is the About Us page. It's the same, and basically what you just want to use these for is to kind of sell yourself, your salon, and get people to come in. So we'll move on to the FAQ. We've done some things here for you already. We've loaded a picture when it comes up. There we go. And then we've loaded some other questions for you. These are basically just to get your customers feeling comfortable enough to use the scheduling system, and getting them used to it. They'll really like it. I think you really like it if they use it. So that's kind of what that's for. The Contact Us page. Kind of what the FAQ is, you can also add more if you want down here too. Or you can change the picture if you didn't like the picture we picked or whatever. So it's all still editable. You can change everything here. So same thing on the Contact Us page. We can put a Google map in there. This is where we can also do Google ads. So if you want to get paid for having your site, if you get a lot of traffic, it's always a good way just to put a little bit of extra money in your pocket. Put your logo there. We just made this logo up not too long ago. Kind of played around with some stuff. Put your hours, which is kind of cool. If you want to put your contact email, you can. You don't have to though. Same with the contact name, your address, all that good stuff. So this is pretty self-explanatory page. If you need any help with the how to put a Google map on there, it's right here. You just gotta follow it step by step. But again, if you have any questions, just let us know. Website theme. This is one of the more fun parts of actually building the sites, because you can actually see the immediate results. So, kind of cool. We're not actually going to change anything, but I'll show you some colors. And basically, the header color here is actually also the background color. This doesn't change for some reason. I'm not really sure why. I'll have to look into that. But you get the idea. It's a kind of a crazy green. A bunch of things here. You can just play around with the color wheel. And then say you like this color. For some reason, it goes with maybe the background that you pick. And there's all kinds of different backgrounds too. So basically, you can change everything here. You can change all these colors, your background, and everything's just real easy. Just looking, do approach basically. But say you like that color, 2F6 D3D. You can either just do it right there, or if you get off the color and you want to get back on the color, you can just come over and copy it. I don't think it always works if you paste it though. But let's see. Paste it. No, it doesn't work if you paste it for some reason. But 2F. Let's see if we just take one. Yeah, if you just take one little letter off and put it there, it'll be there again. So, like I said, we're not going to change anything, but we'll just kind of click around here, kind of see what's going on. get some kind of crazy colors that really stands out. So you can kind of see what happens. We got two of the same color here pretty much. That's why it doesn't have a different like background on it. But check it out now. Oh, they changed again together. A lot of them will change together just play around with this. It's pretty cool. You got like over 150 different backgrounds here to pick from. So you should be able to find something you like. If you don't find something you like, let me know. We can work on something, uh, you know, for you. So that's that. We're gonna go ahead and get out of there. We're not gonna save anything, so let's just cancel out of there. I can't. My website looking crazy. So we're gonna go up to site management options. This is still part of the setting up of your site. This is kind of important. This is a site name. This is where you'll show up. Your title will show up in the search engine. So be kind of conscious of this. It's always good to put a city, your name, and if you're a salon or spa. And that's just kind of all search engine stuff right there. And again, we can help you if you need to be. Product tax rate, it's a global. It goes for everybody if they decide they want their stuff taxed. It is overrideable though. Again, with a service tax rate, if you happen to have a service tax rate, this is kind of cool if you want to charge people. If you all use the credit card as a community, and then say that you're the salon owner or spa owner, and you pay out from there, you can actually charge and keep track of how much they owe you in fees. So that's kind of cool. Facebook, Twitter, so it's kind of basic. You need help finding what your Facebook page is, let us know. We can help you with that. Routing number, account number, authorized.net login. These are all for if you, we have integrated credit card processing with authorized.net. So if you decide you want to go that way, let us know and we'll set you up. You can also use your own credit card machine if you decide that, you know, and it will just record the last four of the card. And then we also have a built-in swiper that will hook up with authorized.net, so you don't have to punch in the numbers all the time. So that's pretty much it with web design and setting up your site. Again, if you guys have any questions and need any help, give us a call at 309-822-0711 or check us out online at salonschedulingsolutions.com. Appreciate it. Have a great day.